Welcome back, everybody. Thank you for watching another video. Tonight we're going to be checking out this 15-piece knife block by Coquusaid. And as always, guys, if at the ending of the video you want to purchase this awesome knife block from Coquusaid and help support the channel, make sure you check out the link in the description below because we do get a commission if you purchase this item. And of course, before getting started, just want to thank the good folks out at Coquusaid for sending me this knife block to review. Let's get started. Really quick, let me show you how we get to 15 pieces here. So you got the 6 steak knives here, you got your 6 bigger knives here, which makes it 12, your scissors, 13, you got your honing rod, 14, the block counts as 15. Let's have a look at these. Let's see just how sharp that 41/16 steel can be coming right out of the box, starting with the chef knife. Oof. Yep. Absolutely no resistance. Super sharp. Let's see how this factory edge performs against a tomato. Yeah, not bad there. Nice. All right, this one is for all of you cabbage fans. Next up, the Suntoku. Ugh, so easy, guys. That is really sharp stuff. Let's check out the Suntoku. Nice. All right, let's try it with some celery. Let's see how sharp the carving knife is out of the box. I gotta flip that over. Just as sharp. Let's try out the slicing knife with the tomato. Let's see if we can slice through this celery here. Can I go one more? Nice. Over to the 5-inch utility knife. Oh man, guys, this is so much fun. Flip that over. Sharp. All right, let's slice up this apple. What about some mushrooms? And over to one of my favorite knives, the 3.8-inch paring knife. Slicing is real. Sharp again. All right, let's try out some radish. That's a lot easier than I thought it was going to be. Here is a look at your 8-inch bread knife. Thicker spine on this guy, all the way through. Plenty of teeth to help you get through the bread. Your cutting edge is only on one side. Let's cut through some bread. Check out this beautiful shepherd's bull. Let's cut some bread. Let's try to follow the score line right here. All right, there's one. Let's try one more. It's nice soft bread. Now you can use these to cut into chicken joints or meat, fruits, vegetables. I've seen people use these to cut pasta so that you don't have to slurp up an entire long noodle. Or maybe you're making a rib roast and you want to tie the rib back onto the meat itself. Cut the twine with this. They're super easy to use. You just break them out just like a normal pair of scissors. Sometimes it's a lot faster and safer. Maybe you have a phobia of cutting off your fingers with a knife. Alright guys, here's what we're going to do next. We're going to take the carving knife, the Santoku, and the chef knife and see if we can carve some steaks out of this. 20 pounds of Fred Flintstone car-tipping ribeye. Alright, let's start off with the carving knife, and here is what the plan is. We got 4 ribs on this side and 4 ribs on that side. I'm going to try to split this right in the middle here, and I think I can get right in between the cartilage right here. Now, normally, you want to stand up your rib roast and cut down, but because I'm doing this video, I'm going to try to do it cutting down this way. Let's give it a go. Alright, the chef knife is up next, and I think I found a fleshy portion right in here. I put a knot, so I'm going to try to hug it right down this line. Let's give it a shot. Yep, that's going to work out really good. That's one nice looking steak. Last up is the Santoku, and I think I see another opening for a steak right up here, and I'm going to try to follow it right down here. Let's give that a shot. Shorter blade, this could be a bunch of fun. Easily done. Another clean cut. Whew. All right, guys, here we go. The rib is removed. This is the fat cap. This is the tip of the ribeye right here. I'm going to try to give you guys a little bit of cut right up here. Ooh, you hear that crust? All right. One more. I think that's just about right. Once again, guys, this has been the 15-piece knife block from Coquusaid. If you don't want to take the time and trouble to go around shopping for these individual pieces, this has got every single blade that you're going to need in your kitchen. It's got high-quality steel, comes out of the box razor sharp, and this could be a great option for you. Well, all right, guys, this is the ending of the video. Remember, if you want to purchase this awesome knife block set from Coquusaid, make sure you check out the link in the description below. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.